People often use disinfectant cleaners incorrectly. This can result in spreading the germs around instead of killing them, which encourages bacterial growth. Before you get to work disinfecting, be sure to clean the surface as much as possible. If you don't, the product might not be able to do its job properly. Each disinfectant only kills the bacteria and viruses listed on the label. Be sure to read the disinfectant label for proper instructions before using. All disinfecting products need to stay wet on the surface for a certain amount of time to kill bacteria and viruses. This is called kill time, dwell time, or contact time on product labels. Kill time varies depending on the product and often between products made by the same company. The most important thing to remember is that disinfectants only work while wet. If a disinfectant dries quickly, you'll have to reapply it until the kill time is reached, according to EPA regulations. Many of these products also contain alcohol, which can cause the liquid to dry quickly. Disinfecting wipes are popular for their convenience, but their label directions usually instruct you to leave the cleaning surface visibly wet for 4 to 10 minutes in order to fully eliminate dangerous illness-causing bacteria. A disinfectant spray cleaner can apply more liquid to the surface than wipes can, and as a result is more likely to leave a surface wet for the required time than a wipe is, without the need for reapplication. It also allows you to reach into crack and crevice areas that wipes can't penetrate. If you're disinfecting food contact surfaces, such as counters, cutting boards, or tables, make sure to do a damp wipe or rinse with water after the required kill time.